Hi, I'm going to pick the winner for the Knit Crate yarn, and if you'd like to sign up under me, you can get your first month 20% off if you put in the promo code Jewel20. All links are down below, and here is all of the type of yarns. You can search through here on their website. You can pick a club, shop, and this is on Knit Crate. And then also just want to mention my website, amyscrochetpatterns.com, down below, and if you click on patterns, it tells you all these categories. You can pick one and it will take you right there. So for holidays, you could scroll down and just click right on the picture, and when you click on that picture, it will take you to a free pattern. Most of my patterns are free. And then also on Facebook, I have my page and my group if you'd like to join. And I have my Etsy store, which is full of 102 products, thank you cards, crochet patterns, Christmas tags, birthday cards, and you can see digital calendars. All my products right now are digital, so it's an instant download when you purchase them. And I have crochet vintage patterns and crochet patterns. And let's see who the winner is. Congratulations, Melissa Long. Contact me with my email down below with your address. I can send out the yarn as soon as possible. Thank you everybody for participating and subscribing. And thank you for watching, and look out for the next video coming out soon. Thank you.